Hey guys, we're live at 9:49. I got 31 spots here as we go up. I'm going to copy them here. Playing the final mini for Christopher's black Jordan jersey. Looks like we have 5 winners here, top 4. And then number 23 gets a spot as well. Going to paste our 31 spots in here. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 7. So we're golden. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Steve in the top spot for our first round. Gary 2. Dustin 3. Steve 4. Kyle 5. Stacks on top in 6, and our winners are David Navarro in the first 2 spots. Gary. Dustin in the 4th spot. And at number 23, Zachary Brayman. Congratulations, fellas. Here's the official results. LLFWPJ. There they are, all the way down there to number 23. I am done at 9:50 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, fellas. See you next time. Thanks.